This is the Ratchet Modular Crimping Tool for RJ22, RJ11, RJ12, RJ45, and DEC. This ratchet tool will crimp terminals on RJ22, RJ11, RJ45, and DEC modular plugs, compressing and reshaping them until they are cold welded onto the wire. Crimpers will not release until a threshold of pressure is delivered, ensuring that full compression is applied. The Ratchet Modular Crimping Tool for RJ22, RJ11, RJ12, RJ45, and DEC is a quick solution for crimping RJ plugs. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.